Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so voice typing will work reliably. Make sure your Oneplus is updated and the Google app or Gboard is the latest version. Outdated apps block features. Next, grant microphone permission to the keyboard and Google apps in Settings. Once done, go to Settings, then System, and open Languages and Input. That's where you begin the actual enablement process immediately. Now configure the keyboard. Open Virtual Keyboard Settings and enable Gboard or Google Voice Keyboard if it isn't already. Set your default keyboard to Gboard so voice input appears automatically. Then dive into the keyboard settings, find voice typing, and toggle it on. You may also enable enhanced voice recognition for offline use. This sequence ensures the microphone icon and long press voice action will. To finish, open a messaging app or note and bring up the keyboard. Tap the microphone icon to begin dictation. If you don't see the icon, long press the spacebar or the keyboard's input key to reveal voice typing. Make sure network or offline speech packs are available for accuracy. If something goes wrong, restart the phone, regrant microphone permission, or clear the keyboard app cache. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.